Hello everyone, thank you for watching our video. We wish to introduce you the complete line for making 75mm wooden ice spoon products. It is consisted by several sets of the machines. This production line is a multifunctional production line, which can enable you to make various sizes of the products. The same production line can also produce wooden ice cream stick, wooden tongue depressor stick, 94mm magnum stick, and also wooden coffee stirring stick. The regular wood species which we use for production is called birch wood. You can also use other wood species. We need to do the wood boring before wood rotary cutting. We can offer you a whole package plan for your project. We have two models of wood rotary cutting machine. For L520B, for this model, when you change the thickness into another size, you need to change related gears. We wish to introduce you our latest wood rotary cutting machine, SK520S. It is CNC cut servo type. For this machine, it is driven by the servo motor and its system. For the thickness setting of the wooden veneer for this model, it is very simple. You don't need to change any gears. You just need to input the thickness data into the screen and set. It is very simple for the new users. For the model number SK520S, it is a real high-speed, high-precision wood rotary cutting machine. For this machine, the rotation speed can reach 280 R per minute. Under this high rotation speed, the precision accuracy is very high. It is from 0 to 0.05mm, means that the thickness difference is from 0 to 0.05mm. It is very small difference. It is with high accuracy. The working wood diameter is from 45mm to 800mm. The working thickness range is also very wide. It is from 0.3mm to 6.5mm. It is a big working range in the thickness. This is a curved cutting machine. We have two models for your choosing. This is a polishing machine. For polishing machine, the main function is for drying and polishing purpose. It is working with heat exchanger and draught fan. This is the electromagnetism blade grinding machine. It is for grinding the wood rotary cutting blade and the press bar. This is the curved cutting blade tip grinding machine. This is white-based board planing machine. This is a logo printing machine. Our company has invented the latest high-speed, high-precision CNC cut servo wood rotary cutting machine. It is driven by servo motor and servo system. For this machine, the rotation speed can reach about 280 R per minute. Under this high rotation speed, it can also have high accuracy. The wooden veneer thickness difference range is about 0 to 0.05 mm. The working thickness range for this machine is also very wide. It is about 0.3 mm to 6.5 mm. It is a big working thickness range. It can also enjoy the merits of even setting the thickness. After curved cutting process, when it is approaching 1/3 of the polishing machine quantity, we will start putting the materials into the polishing machine. The first few hours it is for drying purpose. After it is approaching dry, it will continue rotation. At that time, it is for drying purpose. For the polishing machine itself, it does not have the function of drying. After it is cooperated with steam boiler, heat exchanger, and draught fan, it will have the function of drying. Our machines are widely exported to India, Indonesia, Vietnam,